If you want to become a clinical data manager, here is the honest, practical roadmap. Start with education. A degree in life sciences, nursing, health informatics, or a related field is the most common entry point. Computer science and health statistics backgrounds work well too. What you need is the ability to think analytically, communicate precisely, and learn complex systems quickly. Next, learn an EDC system. Medidata Rave and Viva Vault are the industry standards. There are online training environments you can access. Get comfortable in one before you apply for roles. It signals genuine intent to employers. Then understand clinical trial fundamentals, ICH E6, Good Clinical Practice, FDA 21, CFR Part 11. The phases of drug development, ALCOA Plus. This is the professional language of the field. You need to speak it. For your first role, apply broadly to CROs, contract research organizations. They hire clinical data coordinators and junior CDMs at volume and provide structured training. Covance, IQVIA, PRA, Syneos, and LabCorp Drug Development all run CDM development programs. Consider the CCDM certification from SCDM, the Society for Clinical Data Management. It's the industry's professional credential and signals seriousness to every hiring manager. At Clinical Research Learning Hub, we've built a structured learning path from zero to job ready, covering every skill in this series. The door is open. Your next step is to walk through it.